I'm Shannon Gabriel, Managing Director for TBM's Leadership Solutions practice. Despite recent disruption caused by the global pandemic, many U.S. manufacturers are now experiencing increased demand. That's good news, but many manufacturers are struggling to keep lines staffed and finding that they lack the manpower needed to operate at full capacity. And it doesn't look like the problem's going to go away anytime soon. We're using a three-pronged approach to help clients build the capacity they need now. First, we're helping clients build flexible staffing models to accommodate different scenarios and measure performance on critical areas of operations. Second, we're adapting the talent management system to create more flexible and agile human capital strategies that motivate, retain, and develop employees. And third, we're helping clients maximize output through operational excellence and introducing automation to reduce dependence on human capital in specific areas. There's no time like the present to get a handle on your current capacity and begin implementing solutions for increasing it. We're here to help. Give us a call.